Sorry about the lack of a cab view. There was someone exiting the room and I did not want to cab view in front of someone. Because they could have gotten on or been like, excuse me, what the fuck you doing? And we don't want that. Bruh, I'm on a fucking hydro streak today. Give me a traction, oh my god! Bruh, these things are kind of Sorry, was the 4 button already pressed? Yes, it was. Bruh. This thing is kind of shitty. Sorry, boss. Yikes, that was awkward. Engineering? Ooh. Bruh. I mean, the elevators are shitty, but what do we expect for Wyndham? Bruh, damn, they don't even have... Ooh, that's a rare fire alarm. Check that thing out. Bruh, they don't even have horn strobes, they just got bells. Rip. Sonic speed. Neum. Beow. Fast as lightning. What the fuck is this? Nothing. Okay, let's see this bad bitch. We have another one. The lantern works, that's a plus. Apparently the fucking sensors don't work well. At all. Magic Edge. Yeah, that's a shit sensor. Hey, the fucking CLP buttons work. What the fuck is... What is that bell? That is pathetic. Bruh. Hey, at least the CLP lights up, and that's a fucking plus. Oh shit, this is Armor VR. Oh shit! Armor VR! Yo! That's like actually kind of rare. Interesting. Those are armor buttons. Ooh, let's get a view from fucking 4 floors up. Wow, majestic, you can just see for miles. That's it.